Hey guys, I'm kind of showing my trash PC build. Yeah, my PS4 had broke, so I can't play that anymore. So I currently don't have anything to play. This is my case. I kind of tore it apart because I wanted to get new parts, but then my dad doesn't have enough money, so he can't get them. So I'm just hoping that I win this. My parents are my dad lost his job, so he doesn't have the money to um buy me a new PC. It's kind of sad, but I'm hoping I'm winning this. Yeah, my PC didn't come with a graphics card. Um, this is the power supply. Well, I think this is the power supply. This is the motherboard. Came with 4 gigabytes of RAM. Well, yeah, that's it. Hope I win it. Thank you guys.